Fast family! Let's go!
Cause in my mind we're smiling on the dance floor. Late nights getting dipping like we're on a whole run. Got the worst now, cause we're so young. We're in your car, saying crazy through the radio. I remember at the times been frozen still up. And the worst now, we were so young. Now you're long gone.
Big shoutout sa pinag-i-stayan namin dito ngayon sa Pangasinan, ang Dasao Beach Villas. Kung familiar sa inyo tong location natin ngayon, dahil dito nag-second birthday si Dia, yung Barbie Team birthday. And so happy to be back after 2 years. And simulan na natin tong vacation with the family and friends. Especially ang dami nating mga bisita ngayon dahil may 1 week break si Daddy Ray with his friends. That's why nagpuntahan sila from Japan to Philippines. Syempre gusto natin ipakita yung ganda din ng Pilipinas sa kanila. Kaya naman, isa lang ang masasabi ko. Alam niyo na yon? Arap na! Hi, girl.
Hi,
Where are we now?
we are sitting down.
And eating chips.
Yes, Dalita.
Vlogger na vlogger atake
It's
ko dito.
really yummy.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! I love the view. Hindi nagpo-focus yung crush ko. Basahin siya. Nag-workout yung crush ko. Where's Kuya?
I think somewhere.
How's your vacation? Do you like spending time with family? Especially when Daddy's here? Ang init! Pero I love it. Sana mangitim ako. Pangarap kong umitim. Uli. Kasi di ko alam kung anong ginawa ko at pumuti ako ng ganito. Natural glow. Natural glow! Di alagang belo yan. Ganda na ng skin ko. Aminin. GGSS na naman. Is Mommy beautiful?
Yes, po.
And you are beautiful more. What are we doing? You're going to kiss me.
Hi, vlog. Why is everyone swimsuit?
Because later we're going to the boat. Hi, Nisha.
Are we gonna do jet ski?
Yeah.
Hi. I better get ready for this. Jet ski? I'm ready for it.
What is that?
It's a big banana boat, small banana boat. There's always a lot of banana boats. I really love the views.
The views are amazing.
And the banana boat.
May topak talaga siya. Sa dami-dami sa akin pa natakbo. Hoy! Ba't ka tumalon?
Bang rescue ang aking asawa.
Rescue! Mom is in danger! Hindi ko alam ba't ako nag-jet ski. Takot naman ako.
Wait, naiihi ako.
Nakatakot ako.
Bakit?
Nakatakot lang ako.
Nga?
Hindi mo pa maiwan. Daddy, ikaw humawa. Kahit matumba tayo, hindi mo pwede bitawan.
Hindi ko pwedeng bitawan.
Oo. Wait lang!
Hey! Hawak.
Nalaglag na po. Walang naiwan.
I did it! I win!
The winner.
Daddy, did you saw my legs?
See your leg. How's the water, baby? Are you full? Good job. Amazing.
Daddy, you want to swim with me?
Please, tonight.
Yes, but
Go, go, go. Isipit na galing dito eh. Good job. Ito kayo sa edits. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Oh, ang dami mo na yun. Busog na. Busog na. Ang dami mo na yun. Pabalik ka pa. Oh. Sige. Be free.
Hi!
Tell them what you did. You swam?
I swim to all of the people of Daddy.
All of the people.
Sobrang sweet ni Bia. Like earlier when we were playing in the sand, she was like, Daddy, I love you. You're the best. I love you, baby. You're the
We
nicest
love
friend.
all of the family in the world.
Insert Kuya
Insert Kuya
Lucas.
Lucas.
We love you, Kuya.
Rest. Hanap ako na ano, safe. Hanap ako ng masakit sa paa.
Bia, help me! Lay down mo lang yung head mo.
Yeah, there you
Yan.
Am I ready?
Are you comfortable na ba? Wait. Where's your legs?
Guys, I'm buried.
3, 2, 1, go! Wow!
Di ba LDR kami? Ngayon ko lang naisip ko. Initials lang dapat nila isusulat ko. L, B, R. LDR! Lucas Biaray. Hindi long distance relationship because I have Lucas Biaray. Oh, maggago!
What's up, guys? This is our family. Daddy, I want to bury you. Yeah?
Okay, we'll go over there. Laruan. Daddy Judy. How the hell? That's solid. Oh, here. Sure.
Daddy,
Yes.
You gotta lay down.
No.
You gotta lay down.
you got to lay down.
Yeah, you got the accent down though. I'm proud that you got the accent down, baby. You don't got no legs. Look at my legs. Right.
Sorry, Daddy.
I wanna This is Matt Bonds right
What's
here.
up, y'all?
My teammate. Then you got Ryan Luther. Yeah, not in my face. And this is my lovely daughter, as you know. Olivia, not that part. Oh, are you okay?
3, 2, 1.
Alright, yeah. Alright, we're there. Alright, good job, baby. Can I wash now?
Yeah.
Okay. You need to wash too.
Okay, kakain tayo ng Boodle Fight. First time nila ang Boodle Fight. So let's start. Very Pinoy. Pinoy pride.
A taste of Pinoy.
A taste of Pinoy and a taste of complete family. Hirap na ako sa buhay ko. Pero itong mga kanod ako na-judge. Kayo lang naman mga magagaling eh. Ay, sorry. I said it loud. We have soup, sinigang, of course. And the inihaw. We have
Isaw,
hot dog,
barbecue chicken,
barbecue chicken, and
rice.
seafood.
Right, like right. Where does the seafood start? Seafood starts
Seafood
right
starts
here.
here.
So,
So you want seafood? Are you eating seafood?
Do we stand in the same spot though? Or do we...
no, you just stand same spot and then just
Two or two if you
grab
want.
whatever you
Ah,
want.
Dad.
Bigyan, come here. Let's go, guys.
Dapat di
Can
ako
you eat with your hands?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yay!
Papatry namin yung balot sa mga foreigner friends natin. Let's check. No, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Fresh.
Same, yeah.
There's the soup. Try it.
Just try to see.
Try.
Yeah, champ.
You see?
Mine is dry.
She's like, nah.
Get this. So that's it.
I'm just keep getting
I like
chilled.
the juice, the yellow part.
Yeah. Try it.
So this part
Put
is...
it
that like a
with
yolk?
salt. No, that's the one that you're going to eat. Put salt and then a little bit of vinegar.
That looks like yolk.
I want to eat this middle part.
That just looks like the yolk, right?
Yeah,
it tastes
I
like
think
yolk.
it is.
There you go, right?
She's doing her magic.
He's like, nah, bro. There you go, boy.
Try that.
Can I just smell the egg? Okay, that just smells like an egg. This?
Yeah. Put it in this a little.
Oh, that was a lot.
That's not bad.
Right?
Yeah. Try.
That tastes like an egg.
Oh yeah.
Oo, actually.
Bro.
Buo ba yan? Buo.
You need this all. He said. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, that's how you eat professional. Good. That's how you eat balot.
This one.
That's a pro.
Balot approved.
Alam nyo, vacation trip na walang workout. Ano, workout tayo kuya. Lungkot na yung tsura mo. Wala kuya, kumain tayo marami, kailangan natin mag-workout. Ready? Sabi niya, no. Hindi ka naman magbubot na ito eh. Kaya mo? Kaya naman pala eh. Kung magsusquat ka. Doon tayo para maganda view. Ako si Bia kumakain. Si Mami na. Ito tayo. So, we'll do, since you're not doing it, 3 set, 15 times. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
I'm gonna get mommy.
Do it the right way, kuya. Chest up. Chest up. I'm at 15 already. 13, 14, 15. Superset tayo push-ups. You know how to do push-ups? Can you do 10? 1, 2, 3. High knees.
30, 31, 32, 34, 35, 39, 50.
Good job. 4.
I'm ready.
You guys got to see the physique that we trying to copy. There you go, yeah. Give it up for Mr. Matthew Bonds, special guest, man. Thank you. Appreciate it, man.
What we doing, Lucas?
We're doing some burpees. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, burpees, yes sir. Get that rebound. 1. Oh yeah. 2, yes sir. 3. 9. Oh yeah. 10, yes sir. Yes sir, appreciate it.
Oh yeah, I earned lunch. I earned me some lunch.
Yes sir, you earned some dessert
Yes,
alone.
sir. Yes, sir.
In 3, 2, 1, go. Sprint. Swing your arms. Swing the arms. Go. Swing your arms. Touch the ball. Come back. Swing. Yes, sir. Good job. Stand right here. Daddy gotta do it. Daddy gotta do it this time.
I'm gonna say,
You're gonna see me do it. You gotta be faster than me. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Love you, Kuya. Kamusta?
Di pa siya tapos.
How's the workout?
He's not done. Lucas, time to go now. Come on. Know what you're doing.
Sabayan kita.
Come on. Remember what we did before?
no.
We're gonna squat.
Si Mami, 3 lang yan. Tingnan yan. 1, 2, 3.
You gotta do 10. Okay?
Mommy.
3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Tapos na.
6, 7, 10. Good job. Oh. Superset tayo.
Si O.
Ah. Touch. 4. Proud of you. Amazing job today. So I want you to focus and listen, okay? My God. Love you. Physical dasol. Workout kami araw-araw. Pero guys, health is wealth at the end of the day. So, make sure to work out, stay healthy, eat healthy. Lifestyle po talaga siya. Kahit anong yaman nyo, anong pera meron kayo, baliwala yan. Ay sa mga parents Gawin nyo to para, hindi lang po para sa inyo, pero para sa mga anak nyo. Kasi malaking bagay kayo sa buhay nila, magagabayan nyo, makikita nyo sila lumaki. So, importante po yung mga desisyon na ipili natin araw-araw para sa kanila din yun. Good luck, stay healthy, God bless.
Anong vacation? Aral ka. Come on. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, say your name and greet them.
Hola, buenas tardes. Mi nombre es Viviana Raquel.
What is hello?
Hola.
What is thank you?
Gracias.
What is goodbye?
Adios.
Okay, good job. What is the color of the flag of Mexico?
Green, white, and red.
Okay, good job. What is in the middle?
Eagle eating a snake.
Good job. Okay.
Yes.
Again, what is the food of Mexico?
Tacos, enchiladas, quesadillas, noodles.
Last 3 in the food, okay? If you complete the 3, we're going out, okay? Okay. What is the food?
Tacos, enchiladas,
Ensaladas.
quesadillas, noodles, and tamales.
Yes, good job. 1. Oh, last one. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, 1, 2, 3. What is the food of Mexican?
Tacos, enchiladas,
And
and
okay.
quesadillas, churros, and tamales.
Good job.
We're done studying!
May report kasi siya sa Monday and Tuesday. So, kailangan niya to. Daddy did ask Mommy to do the beach activity. And then, he rushed Mommy. And now,
Miss.
like he wants Mommy to do it quickly. And then now, he's doing basketball. I thought he's in the beach na. Gonna fight Daddy.
Wala, bananas.
Pakita mo, nagbabasketball.
Daddy! Why are you being so rude to Mommy?
Diba, pinadali mo ko. Sabi mo, Bel, pwede bang mag-speedboat? Pwede bang ano yun yung mga... Sinabihan na kita pa ulit-ulit, nag-basketball ka pa.
Mahal, paano tayo kakain?
Oh, tapos ka na mag-workout nun eh.
trabaho ko to.
Hala, naging... Ba't sinabihan mo ako kanina magpahanda na ng speedboat tsaka ng jet ski?
Sorry na lang.
Pupunta na lang kami ng anak mo doon. Magkanya-kanya na tayo.
Why are you fighting me?
Mommy told me because you're being so rude to her.
I did not disrespect mommy.
This is your punishment. I will get the ball.
Yes.
Fairness sa kanya, mautak na punishment ko na.
Honestly, he can hold.
Kinukulit na ako ng mga staff. Tinatawagan na ako. Ready na po, ready na po. Isang oras na sila nag-aantay.
Sinabihan ko nga.
Eh, hindi naman sila bumababa. Tsaka ayoko makipagtalo doon English.
Ako, ayun yung problema. Oh,
Sige na, tayo na lang.
basahin mo yung subtitle kasi mahal.
Bahala ka dyan.
Guys,
Tayo na lang. Let's
nandun
fight
na ako
to the
asawa ko.
bukas.
Without that.
Break.
Basketball ka, magdamag! Pasensen pa sa GC ng picture na nagbobola sila.
Ang kulit talaga si Daddy.
Ewan
I
ko din.
gave him the ball so he cannot play anymore.
But you gave it back. Dapat you bring it, put it in my bag. Ano?
That's
Ba't nandito
Daddy's
ka?
punishment.
Ay, kukunin ako sa bila. Bakit?
Dito ka.
Kukunin niya ako sa bila.
Ano? Tama ba ako o mali ng pinaglalaban? Sino ang kumausap sa akin?
Mahal, tama ka. Bea, I'm sorry.
It's okay, don't do it next time.
Sige mo.
Get to holiday.
Darling, load my hand!
Nothing we can get to holiday. And right now we can take 50 pounds per person. That's 200 for family for.
Memorize mo yun, pero yung Spanish na pinag-aaralan natin, kailangan mo i-recite bukas.
Ano yung ano,
Memorize?
baby?
Oh.
Yung food.
Oh.
Tapos, sibuyas, pulos, and tomato.
Oh, how do you say your name?
Hola, buenas tardes. Mi nombre es Juliana Hayata Parks.
Ba?
By kissing together.
So kayo nakakita ng aaway ng Kiki? Ako lang yun.
Paano may nang-aaway? Hindi tinawag.
Ito lang siya.
Ay, pero joke lang.
Hindi, pero totoo naman kasi talaga, di ba? Yung mga lalaki, mag-aano sila, magsasabi sila sa misis nila. Tapos kapag ginawa ng misis nila, gagawa sila ng iba.
No.
That's right, now I've had enough. You don't see it, but I see it. Ooh, I'm not where you're bitter, speaking with a different native tongue. You're egocentric, I'm a bootlicker. You don't ever get me.
Love you. 2 days na lang, babalik na naman siya ng Japan. Tago ko kaya lahat ng passport niyo.
I would love it, honestly.
Sad. At least hindi 36 hours.
Diba?
May 6 days kami.
Thank you, Lord.
Diba? Umabot siya ng 6 days, natanggal na yung braid.
You're still the same. Used to problems while I say keys. Even though we always will be friends, but sometimes you go.
Bogs! Ayan na. Nabitawan ng camera mga lodi. Bogs! Ayun ang sinasabi ko. Ayan na po, nagkakagulo na ang lahat. Nawawala ang camera. Hanapin nyo. Stress is overpowering the brain. Ayun, nakuha na ni Kuya Lodi talaga to. Oo. Ay, talagang bayani. Nakita na siya. Kala ko mawawala na lahat ng files. Utang ko kay Kuya ang lahat. Maraming salamat, Kuya. Mabuhay ka pa ng matagal. Yes! I thought we lose you,
Ayan.
but we still find you. Galing ni Kuya, bayani. Kitang-kita ang pagkakakuha sa kanya. Ang pangalan mo, Kuya? Oh, tari ni Kuya Christian. Yay! Our camera is back!
But sometimes you go hard.
Where are we going, guys?
Home.
Going home. Vacation celebration's over. Did you enjoy, Daddy? Okay.
Me too.
First-
Sand.
Bye,
Bye,
Sand.
moon.
Bye, Moon. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Dasol. Thank you, Dasol. The best. Thank you po. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye po. Miss ko kayo. We're coming home. Diba? Paitiman, sino nanalo sa inyong dalawa?
Who's nalo?
Win. Who's the winner? More
Who?
dark skin na.
Like, who has the darkest skin? If you have the darkest skin, did you win?
Yes.
Yeah. Ito na namin tinatapos yung vlog. Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye. Salamat po.
Make sure to subscribe.
Like, subscribe, share, and click the button.
Yes.
Good job.
Good night, guys. Love you all, Sabis. Bye.
Bye.
Just gonna drive.
Ingat.
Ingat, Pap.
You make me